we're half our age, half. So that means if I'm 40, you're 80? No, he's not 80. Few days more to go, love. I'm leaving na.
I think it's going to be a long month.
Long month?
Yeah.
It's a 1 month, love, compared to 3 months.
It's going to be a long month.
I know.
I don't know. You may be having so much fun you decide to stay there the next 3 weeks.
Seriously? You have to call me, huh? When you're home, when you get home, okay?
I'm not using my data while I'm driving.
Huh?
I'm not using the data while I'm driving.
Why?
Because.
That's not data.
Yes, it is.
No.
Yes. What do you think it is?
So you're not gonna call me then when you're work? Seriously?
Then halfway through the month, I won't be able to call you anymore because the data is expired already. And then it throttles you down to like LTE, and you can't even get email on LTE. And then I won't be able to call you at all unless I'm actually at home with Wi-Fi.
There's something wrong.
There's something wrong. I noticed.
Fine, don't call me.
I work in the city all the time, so I noticed.
So that means if you
I
call...
had to pay extra to boost my data, and it still expires. It doesn't carry me through the month.
If you call me and you can contact me, that means I don't have signal, even a data, okay? That means I went to the market, wet market, or you know, I will let you know wherever I go, okay? I will report to my master. You are the master that's sending. Give me money, honey. You have to still to go to the bank. Why? Oh yeah, you're right. Well, I'll use my money anyway. Whatever we have over there, give it to me. You have to add more. Just kidding. Love, you know I'm gonna end up hand. The money is not enough. You have to put out the invest. I'm not using that. No, I'm not. I'm not using that. I'm not even going to say, I'm not even going to call them that I will be in the Philippines. I will call my bank. I will call my bank that I will be there. But you know what I'm gonna do? I will add more money in my bank in one time, because I'm not able to open my app in the Philippines because they send me notification in my America number, and I cannot open it without that code. You know that every time you open the bank, right, they send you a text number code.
Right.
So they cannot text me. I can't receive anything.
Well,
so
they gotta be. If you tell them you're gonna be in the Philippines, they gotta make some kind of arrangement. They send you some emails.
No, I rather be safe, and I will do it here. What I think I will have in my bank.
You can always tell me, and I can just can't transfer. I need to log in as you. Transfer.
Yeah, and then they will send it to my number, and you don't have it because I bring my phone. That means I'm out of reach. Ay, nako, ang hirap talaga kapag uuwi ka ng Pilipinas. Talagang kailangan mo mag-save ng money para kasi kapag bakasyon, if you go to vacation, you should have money, right?
Yeah.
Especially if you go to your family, they expect you to have we have to have a lot of fish, a lot of dried fish, 1 lechon here. Well, I will have my salary over there. You know, I'm not gonna give it to you this month. Nah, I have 1,000 something pesos already. 1,200.
$20? Really?
No, for when I get to the Philippines.
Okay, that's nothing.
To buy Jollibee. Jollibee in 2 person. Ay. Ha?
That's not enough.
Ang hirap kasi kapag sa Pilipinas talaga, mga loves, no? Hindi ako gastador kasi po iniisip ko po yun, lalo na kapag ando na ako, always think of ano mga loves. You're speeding up here. The cops will be here. So I always think of the money. When every time I spend something, I always think, oh, this is gonna be this dollar, or oh, how many dollars is this? You know, like, especially now that expensive everywhere, especially also in the Philippines, everything is like $1 now. So you cannot blame me, mga loves, if I convert peso to dollar, because I live like, you know, we pay dollar and I use the money dollar.
Convert dollars to pesos, not pesos to dollars.
Yeah, convert to dollar to pesos. So people would always say, "Don't, you're already in the Philippines, so you shouldn't be converting money." Of course I should have, or else I end up like broke when I came back here, like nothing, and Tommy won't let me in the house.
I'm saying you're gonna convert dollars to pesos, so you can spend it there. It's harder to spend dollars and pesos in the Philippines.
Yes.
So you have to convert.
People doesn't like it converting. Of course, we use dollar, or my money is dollar. So of course I will convert it to the thing. You know, ang pera kasi mga loves, hindi yan pinupulot, no? Tinatrabaho yan. Sinisave yan ng ilang taon. Pinaplanuhan yan, oh, I'm going to the Philippines. This is what I should bring, and this, that, and kailangan nating mag-save kaunti and then dalhin sa Pinas. Ganyan yan mga loves. Hindi yan palang, oh, I wanna go now. Oh, I'm gonna just ask my husband money. Blah, 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 blah. For the ticket palang mga loves, it's expensive to have a ticket. It's crazy. You know? Kaya, kayong nasa Pilipinas, and then, magluod-luod kayo dyan. Huwag kayong magluod-luod. 9 years akong hindi nakauwi. And then, yung ticket, ang mahal-mahal. Plus, yung baon ko pa, para makakain kayo, charot. Huwag kayong magluod-luod kasi wala na akong time. Wala na ako time sa mga sakit sa ulo. Wala na talaga. 40 years old na ako, mga 40-an. So, 40 na ako mga loves. So, hindi na pwede yung mga ganyan na sa akin. Mamatay na lang ako, ganyan. Wala, puro na lang tayo, ganyan.
I'm 100.
You are not. You're just crazy.
I'm 100.
Seriously. Honey, remember we're half our age, half. So that means if I'm 40, you're 80? No, he's not 80.
It don't work that way, huh? Seriously?
That's what.
That's like an Abbott Costello routine.
Yeah, you're not 80. Oh my goodness, you're not 80. Oh, look at you. You're still strong and strong and strong and strong. 80 because you know when we are half age,
That was at 50.
so that why become you're slowing down and I'm getting faster on it.
Soon you're gonna pass me.
So everything is like getting. That's so weird, huh? That was really weird.
Another 20 years you'll be older than me.
Yeah. Oh my
That's
God.
Abbott Costello routine, huh?
That is an Abbott Costello. Seriously, I notice it, hon. You're slowing down. I'm getting faster and faster. Like it's going crazy.
It's like, oh, you're 20 and you're in love with a girl who's 10. And he's, oh boy, you're gonna have to be in jail now. Because so you figure she's too young, so you're gonna wait 10 years because she's half your age. So 10 years. Now you're 30 and she's 20.
Really?
So now she's 2/3 of your age. So then you wait another 10 years, right? And he goes, well, pretty soon she's gonna pass me and she'll be older than me.
Even the window is so dirty, labo.
Yes, salt.
Is that the salt?
Yeah, they
Labas na naman tayo mga labs. Kahit masakit yung ulo ko at meron akong ubo, halago pa rin tayo. Tulungan natin si Mister. Ay, naghangin. Where is he? Oh, shit. Wala akong medyas. Nag-ayos na pala guys. Diyan lang kayo. mga loves. Grabe yung snow. O, diba? Naglalaro. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng snow. Ang ginaw mga loves. Yung kamay ko. Tara. Tignan natin si Tami kung anong ganap. Anong ganap ni Sir Tami? Ang ginaw-ginaw. Oh, diba? So yun mga loves, nilagyan lang ni Tami ng hangin ang gulong kasi wala na palang hangin. Pag backing niya dyan, hindi halos makagalaw at nag-spin lang yung gulong nga dahil nga wala na masyadong hangin na hindi namin namalayan at delikado kasi talagang ang bigat ng plow, no? At wala akong medyas, hindi ko na nafe-feel yung paa ko. Mga loves, yung lips ko sobrang dry, my cheeks is sore. And I was enjoying the snow. Nag-enjoy sa snow, but my foot was like cracking. I can feel it's like gonna fall off from my leg, my toe, my knees, my halbsy, dimples, hungry. What time is it? Dad, they're freaking crazy. Yan mga labs, tapos na kami. Tingnan yung mukha ko. Grabe, yung ilong ko, yung buhok ko, lahat-lahat na. You know what I'm wearing today? Ay, Tami. This is yours. This one here. It's yours. Everything that I wear like this is yours. When you were like a kid. Gawa tayo ng cornbread mga loves. So itong binili namin is ready mix na siya po. Ang kailangan mo lang is itlog. At kailangan mo ng milk. And then kailangan mo din ng vegetable oil. Imimix mo lang siya lahat and yun, may instruction naman yung box na nabili namin. Very simple lang siya mga loves. Good morning mga loves. So ngayon, last night gumawa ako ng cornbread. Yung cornbread is broken. It's very moist last night when I take it out. Because I leave it longer before cutting, and also I use the banana bread container. It should be like flat and then become like flat and really thin. But it's really good, hon. I like it. You like it? I like it. You like cornbread? Broken mga loves. Uy! Kasi po, ngayon ko lang siya tinanggal sa nilulutuan ko. So ngayon, I'm not throwing it out. Sarap siya mga loves. What time you get home last night? 2:30? How's the drive, love? It's lashy. And how was the driveway? A lot? It's hard? Sorry, love. I don't really want to use the car way to run all the snow morning. Your son. Side. Tignan nyo. He wants some more. So we have to close this. Okay, let's see if you like it. So yun mga loves, diba kaibang araw na po ito. Masarap man yung cornbread na nabili namin at ang sakit-sakit ng ulo ko kasi meron po tayo. So uminom lang ako ng Aleve at itong asawa ko din. Relax, buti na lang wala siyang trabaho ngayon, diba? Anyway, salamat po sa time. Bye!